Hi everyone, this is Frank Steffen here at Porsche North Olmsted, and today I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about our Porsche Connect app. Porsche Connect is a way to help you integrate directly with your new Porsche. You have the capability to flash your lights, sound your horn if you can't find your car, and lock and unlock your vehicle. On your electric Taycans or hybrid Cayennes, you also have the capability to set climate controls, so preheating or pre-cooling your Porsche at your convenience. It also will give you vehicle diagnostics, so you can see your current range, other vehicle information that can be important to you. Also, something fun, that you can directly search via Google different points of interest and send them directly to your car, so it's convenient when you get in and start up, you know exactly where you want to go. For any other Porsche Connect questions, feel free to reach out to myself or any of the staff here at Porsche North Olmsted. We're always happy to help and show you tutorials live or over the phone.